Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's very interesting to see that Microsoft is pushing in a video Windows 11 to Windows 10 users and kind of telling you that, oh, well, Windows 10's cutoff date is not that far off. Well, it's still, almost 2 years, a little less than 2 years. I think it's far enough that you can wait. And they're actually trying to put us into the category that if we move into Windows 11, we will have enhanced computing and everything should be wonderful. So, Microsoft is really trying hard to push people to Windows 11 because they do notice that, yes, the Windows 11 operating system isn't taking off that well. It's very interesting to see that the numbers we've shown over the last year, how basically Windows 11 is getting some momentum, but it's not there. It's barely a quarter of all PCs. And if you look at Windows 10, it's stubborn, staying very high in usage. It does have, it does decline, but it declines as people are buying new PCs, and whoever is keeping their PCs right now, they don't want to move on. And, the strict minimum requirement doesn't make it move on very fast. One of the things that, would be interesting to see if we could go back in time and check out if Microsoft would have kept the same requirements of Windows 10 on Windows 11, what would be the adoption of Windows 11 right now? For sure it would be higher. That there's no doubt. But how much higher? What difference would have made a minimum requirement that is just the same, or if it's not the same, not that much different, It's fine to put a minimum requirement where you can cut off at some point, but I don't know. It would have been interesting to be able to compare that. One thing for sure, the minimum requirements are a big problem for the move to Windows 11. That's definite. And if, like me, a lot of you are running Windows 11 unsupported on some devices, it's running very well. So, you see that minimum requirement is very arbitrary and almost useless at some point. So we'll see. We'll see what happens next. And it's interesting. I think Microsoft is getting into a little panic mode here. And I think that panic mode is going to make us, see what exactly will they want to do for the extension. We know that Microsoft has committed to 3 years of extension to business and home users. We know it's going to be a paid service. Or will it? Could Microsoft get to a point where it's going to say, well, you know what, for home users, it's going to be free? I don't know. I would think it's still going to be a paid service, but maybe they could put a very low fee on it. I don't know. It depends how bad they want people to move on. Windows 11 and, this year at some point something else, whatever it is, Windows 11 AI, Windows 11 second edition, Windows 12, something's going to come up. But visibly with the different things that have been happening lately, Microsoft is getting into a panic mode here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.